Alright guys, so today it's time to take my car over to the car wash. However, I bought a couple of things online from Amazon car guides. I've never really heard of them, never really used them. I heard some after I got the item online. I did decide to do some research, and apparently it's pretty good. A lot of people are buying it. So a couple of things that I bought, and I'm actually going to show you because I actually have it inside. Let me open up my car real quick because I guess I forgot to unlock it. Alright. So on here, a couple of things that I got that I'll be testing out after I do the car wash. So we got this super cleaner, professional detailing, the most versatile and effective multi-surface cleaner on the market. So we're gonna go ahead and try that. It's kind of cool. They give you a microfiber cloth on here as well. About a hybrid wax. So once I get my car washed, I'm gonna go ahead and apply that. Make sure that it's completely dry before I do that. Something else that I bought that I will be using tire shine spray. It's kind of cool that they give it kind of like a little buffing tool there, so that's pretty neat. So I'm gonna be using that as well. And on this side we have the plastic restorer, right? So it all started out actually just looking for the plastic restorer because what I was trying to do. This right here, you see how faded it looks, and it's kind of like has scratches and whatnot. I mean, of course, for normal use and stuff on the road and dirt and bugs and whatever, that thing's definitely gonna get scratched over time. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And of course, here comes my neighbor. He's always nosy, always trying to figure out what it is. Clean his eye out. He's a little bit dirty. I don't know. Hey, Thickums. Doing alright? Trying to mess up my video? Meow? 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 Anyways, so trying to get all of that around the edges there, all the way down. Then we're gonna go ahead and test it out, and then of course the tires shine is supposed to make that really shiny, so I'm gonna do that. I'm also gonna be probably applying it right here to the front. I don't know why, because it'll probably get dirty anyways. This is a product that was probably not going to last long, but I'm going to go ahead and do that as well. Just do it on this side. And so I'm just doing a quick video on top too, because it is dirty. I don't know if you guys can see that. I am recording in 4K, but yeah, so it's time to give my car a bath. My car a bath. All right. And of course my neighbor over here. Alright, we zoomed in on there. I'm also going to try to apply it on here as well. Maybe around the edges here. And then maybe see how it turns out after the car wash. Well, my car wash is kind of neat because it has like an air compressor kind of thingy. So when I dry it, I sometimes do use use it to dry instead of using actual microfiber, which I have plenty in my car, but I decided to do that. See the wheels. So we're gonna do a video before and after. What are you doing here, Thickums? Go ahead and do that there. So, got 3 of these kitties out here. They're the neighborhood gang, Gato gang as I call them, because there's 3. There's Mom, there's a brother, which we call him Junior, and we have Thickums because when we first met him, he had a very thick tail, and now he doesn't have a thick tail. Alright, anyways, so make sure I don't have my license plate. I'm gonna apply it on here as well, all the way across, and yeah, so look at the back of my, that's right, wabba-labba-dub-dub. We got some Doctor Who sticker, actually got a couple more coming in. But it is really dirty, so it's time to give it a nice touch. All right, and we do go inside. Go ahead and so, like I said, I'm gonna use that cleaner on here. So my car's not that bad because I did clean it a couple of weeks ago. but there's a couple of things here. In the back, Rocky, my dog, usually sits in the back. He drools all over the freaking seat back there. Alright, so I'm gonna do that. So we got some before and after. I probably should take a couple of shots just to be on the safe side. Alright. And I got my dash cam up here. Both my dash cams, one popping this way. Oh, and you can see here comes another culprit, and we have another culprit over there licking himself. But anyways, so let's go ahead and check the back. So the doors, that's where my dog usually drools a lot when I get him on here. My seats, I do have a seat cover. I mean, if I didn't have a seat cover, my dog would have probably scratched up and messed up my seats by now. I have a Chow Labrador pupper. This little piece broke. I actually ordered the part on Amazon, so it's on its way here. I thought I had to replace the whole thing, but I don't, thankfully. And then we got this other side right here. So there's a couple of scratches down there, which I'm going to apply that plastic restorer and see. Alright. Then we go this way. A couple of things. The main reason why I got the plastic restorer was for here. So it's kind of pretty scratched up back here. So we're going to test that out and see how that works. On this side, you got a couple of scratches there as well. Up here looks a couple of scratches there. But we're gonna go ahead and test it out. Up top, probably not up here. Yes, I do have a backup dash cam too, webcam as well. Ooh, I don't know about here. We got a couple of scratches up here. So I might have to test it out and see if I can apply some there, as long as I got enough. But the main thing that I really want to do is going to be the bumper and test it out. The bumper and also the lines right here, up here. And see how it turns out. Alright, so I'm gonna start my drive over to the car wash and I'll take it from there. Alright guys, so I decided to do a little detour. Well, not that I decided. I had to drop off a Amazon return. My wife bought an item and it's not the one she wanted, so I'm gonna have to drop it off real quick before I head over to the car wash. Alright, we are here at Staples real quick, and I'll be right back. I just dropped off my wife's package. I'm on my way to the car wash right now. No, the package is definitely not at a bite. But anywho. Alright guys, I am at the Bamboo Shampoo. Thought I didn't bring my wallet with me, but I sure did.
Car wash.
Okay.
We're now ready to enter the car wash. Please proceed by following the directions on the signs ahead.
Alright. Oh, it's a cute pupper. Aw, so cute. I always calculate the wheel alignment in here pretty good. Oh shit, I gotta make sure my wheels are pulled up. The thing I don't like about this, my left view mirror is pushed in every single time on the car wash. Got scared for a second there. Spot free rinse, alright? Telling me if I go out there, there's some spots on there, I can get my money back? Alright guys, so my car is as dry as it can be. Let's go ahead and try out this wax premium thingy. See how it turns out. Probably need both hands. Hold on. I'm strong, I only need one hand. Alright. So let's see what the instructions say about this. Alright, premium hybrid wax, spray sealing, infused with car now wax. I don't know what that is. Alright, leave shine and bright. Took a couple of pictures so for the before and after. Shake bottle well before use. And fill your paint before applying. Ensure that working here isn't too hot. Only use in sun on a warm to the touch surface. Oh, okay. Alright, might have to back up my car a little bit. Use clean quality microfiber towel, blah blah blah. Alright, let's give it a try. I do gotta back up my car a little bit though, the sun's hitting. Alright, so it said to actually use this to remove any type of dirt and things like that. Let me go ahead and try it out and see how it looks. So it's kind of dirty there. So before I use the plastic restorer, that way it takes away any type of dirt that's on there. Let me see what other instructions it says on the back. Blah blah blah. Shake bottle well. Remove loose dirt. Then spread directly onto microfiber towel. Wipe down surface. Flip towel and buff dry. Okay. All right. Let's give it a try and see how it looks. As you guys can see, we use the cleaner. You can see all the way around. The car looks really neat. Look at all the gunk and stuff that this cleaner got out of there. Holy cow. If you go all the way around, it's not just there, it's all the way around in the car. All the way around inside. Look at the front bumper. That's awesome. Alright, so we finished all the way around. So now we're going to go ahead and apply the plastic restorer. So like I said, I went ahead and I cleaned it out. You guys saw the rag, it was all nasty. That thing even looks pretty good with that on there. So let's go ahead and test it out and see what it does to the plastic. Just apply a little bit right here and then we'll go from there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but so can you guess where I stopped applying it? Right there on the right hand side. As you can see, the one on the left, when I applied it, just do like a little evenly, just put it on the sponge. Just evenly spread it all the way across, because what's going to happen is, you can start seeing it's going to start restoring. I'm going to do all the way around and I'll be right back. Alright, so the front of my car is really hot, so I'm probably not going to apply it on there now, especially since you have to apply it in a warm to the touch area. That shit is hot. Alright, so we're going to apply it here and see how it works. So according to this, you just gotta get my other hand, spray it a little bit, just let it drip down, and then start applying a little bit over. It's supposed to give it some shine. I don't know if you guys can see some shine or not. I'm just gonna do this area real quick before, and I'll come back in a second. Let me back up and see if we can see a video from before and after. So I still haven't applied it to the whole car, but I am going to. Alright, let's see what happens. I'll be back. Alright guys, so I just did the front of my car. This thing feels so freaky. Look how shiny it is. And it's super smooth too. So damn, this thing works like a charm. Holy cow. Like right here, like my hand easily slides down, but here, like it gets caught. Like, oh man, you can totally feel the difference between these. Holy cow. Oh, so soft. See, look, I'm sliding my hand down. Takes a bit with this one. My hand easily comes down. Rough, soft. Rough, soft. Man, I can't wait to finish up my whole car. A lot of people always ask me how I keep my hair like this. This is the answer. This isn't even my final form. Liquid car wax on my car. Look how slippery it is. So it literally just slides off. This is awesome. So guys, I bought a couple of detailing kits online. And actually, I finally found one that works excellent. Look how shiny and smooth my car is. Look how smooth it is. Watch this. Just put it on top of it, the sucker just slides right off. It's a liquid car wax. Look at that. I'm not even done with my car yet. Been here for almost an hour. Look how shiny that is. It looks like a brand new, like I just took it out the dealer. All the way around. Look at that. Look at that. Dang. Alright. Okay. Looks like a 2018 car. I haven't even finished the wheels yet. I haven't done the interior yet. This thing is amazing. Hey guys, I would definitely recommend getting the Car Guys detailing kit. I got mine directly from Amazon. 2-day prime shipping. Got it in, cleaned my car, waxed it. Car looks amazing. So I would definitely go ahead, if I were you, if you're trying to not spend a lot of money or have somebody basically detailing it for you and you're comfortable doing it yourself. Again, it's an easy process. I did it myself. I would definitely go ahead and recommend it. So that's a thumbs up from me. And I don't know, from Rocky. Rocky, is that a thumbs up for you as well, sir? I'm not even 100% sure. But anyways, yeah, go ahead and buy it.